And 5 records were broken and 1 equalled on day 1 of the Eastern Athletics Championships at the National Stadium on Monday. Happy Grove's Jaquan Suden, with a leap of 7.30 meters, set a new meet record in the boys' Class 1 long jump. St. Mary High's Jashawn Lewis broke the Class 2 record with a mark of 6.67 meters, while the Class 3 record went to Romaria Franklin of Titchfield with a jump of 5.76 meters. Happy Grove's Emmanuel Briscoe is the new holder of the boys' Class 3 discus record with a throw of 30.55 meters. On the track, Oberlin's Ashara Campbell clocked 5 minutes 01.80 seconds to set a new mark in the girls' Class 3 1500 meters, while Cavell Wesley of Port Antonia equaled the girls' Class 3 high jump record with a leap of 1.60 meters. Now, after 9 finals contested on the boys' side, defending champions Titchfield High lead with 72 points. They are followed by Happy Grove 57, Port Antonia 48, St. Mary High 43, and Morant Bay rounding out the top 5 on 33 points.
Well, we didn't expect less based on our preparation and what we came here for. So we expect to keep this to the end of the championship, which is tomorrow. The vibe is good. We came for certain specific events, and we are in the finals for those events that we came for, which is setting us up good for the final day. So we're looking forward.
On the girls' side, after 11 finals, Marymount 54.33 are atop the standings on 67. They have 67.33 points. They are followed by Oberlin with 61.33. Defending champions St. Mary High 54, Port Antonia 51, and Happy Grove, who are in 5th on 32 points.